Alright, it is April, but I just got my March Knitcrate, and this is going to be the last Knitcrate for me for a while because I put my membership on hold, but I'm excited to see what they are. As always, I look forward to these. I'm kind of bummed that I put my membership on hold, but I found that I just have too much going on right now to use the yarn, so I'm putting it on hold for a while, and then I'll pick it back up later. Let's see what we got. I'll download link. And hey, my QR codes are working. My phone didn't used to do QR codes. I have an Android phone that's not very fancy, but it does now, so that's super exciting. March 2021. Honk if I dropped a yarn ball. Oh dear. I hope I don't have yarn balls flying out of my car. But alright, so we've got Viralana Celestial in color Ganymede, 90% alpaca, 10% tencel, Aran weight. Okay, alpaca is my favorite, so I'm excited about this, and I could have guessed that it was alpaca right when I picked it up because it is super soft and squishy, and I am super glad that I didn't turn my Knitcrate off last month because then I wouldn't have this pretty yarn. It's this gray color, it's got some kind of blue and brown hues in there. It's just really pretty. It's very soft. So I've got 2 skeins of this. You can tell it's going to be drapey, like it's drapey even in the hank. So I think that's going to be really good for garments and things. So that is exciting. So, and let me double check. So this sticker is the bonus for this month, which, I mean, it's a cute sticker, but it's a sticker, so that's kind of lame. But, you know, what can you do? And then the patterns, as usual, you can go online and get them. I don't usually because I just don't use their patterns. I got some boot cuffs and some arm warmers, and of course the socks. So I'm really curious because Knitcrate recently announced that they are raising their prices, which I understand why they have to, but it also makes it a lot more expensive. So I'm putting it on hold for a while. I tentatively have it scheduled to restart in like October, so we'll see where I'm at then. But I'm curious to hear from you if you're doing Knitcrate, if you're going to keep doing Knitcrate now that they've increased the price, or if you've decided to give it a break. Let me know. Happy crocheting.